Hi all. In this video tutorial, I am going to cover the program which counts the words that actually appear exactly two times in the given array of the words. So there is the array of words which has been given. Based on that, I just wanted to count the words that is exactly appear two times. For example, if the input string array will be like this one. So there is the multiple words like Java string code, Java string code. So there is the Java exactly appears two times in the given array. But a string is there is four times. Code is also there is four times. So the output will be one because there is the only one word Java which is occurring two times in the given array. And the second scenario, for example, uh, if there is the word like here hello two times and Rakesh one times, how one time, John one time, Java talent two times. So in this case, one word is hello and another word is Java talent. That means there is the two words which is exactly appears two times. Correct? So this is the program I wanted to demonstrate in the today videos. So let me go through that actual code. So let me create one Java program. So Java project I'm just going to create. So I'm just giving the name as count word exact two times. So this is the project name I am giving. So let me create one package com dot Java talent and the class is count word exactly two times. So let me generate the main method as well. I will create a separate method and then I will call that method inside the main method. So I'm going to use today the hash map concept of hash map. I will create one more video. You can go through that. And there is one more video which is in my Java collections. So you can go through that video. So there is basically the number of words. If you needs to count the number of words exactly in this string, given a string. So you can check my left notifications panel. There is the pop-up comment. You can go through that video. Fine. So let's start. So for this one, just let me create one method. Just I'm just going to create one static method which is going to return the integer value. So that count, just the count I just wanted to return. How many words is there? So count words. And this method is going to take the array, our this input array. So a string str of array. And then the second parameter I'm just going to take it as n, an integer of n. That means the length actually. So let me do that. So let me create the main method so that you can first understand what I wanted to do. So let me pass this as the input string. So this is the input string, first one. I just wanted to check. So this is my input string. And the second parameter will be length. Int n is equal to input dot length. So this is the two parameter. Basically, I just wanted to pass here inside this method call. So I will call that method later. So let me create that method. So there is a actually I'm just going to create the hash map of type string and then integer. Because string I'm just going to take it as the parameter and integer value I'm just going to return. So new hash map new hash map of type. Same time, I'm just going to put the value pair. So this is the one. Fine. Hash map of string comma integer and then map of new hash map. I'm just going to create one map. So what I will going to do is I'm just going to iterate the loop through n. That's int I to basically I0 to length of that particular array. That means n is the length, and then I'm increasing that loop value. What I'm going to do is, if I'm just going to check whether that map has the key of that particular value, just like this Java. So if map dot, there is the one method contains key and contains value. So I'm just going to check for that particular key which is there for this I iteration value. That means map of that value contains key. What it is going to be checked? Str array of I, that particular array value. Just I am going to check whether that value is there or not. If it is there, then int get is equal to, there is the integer, just I am going to get that as the value. So there is the one method get of that particular value. It will return the particular value. Then str of I. Fine. So let me demonstrate this method. Contains key. Go through this. This is the Boolean value. This is the return type is Boolean. It returns the code if this map contains a mapping for the specified key. Whatever the key I'm just going to pass, if it is having that key, it will return the true. And the get method. Get method is taking a parameter as object type, and it is the return type is this one. So it returns the value to which specified key is mapped. This key, whatever the key I'm just going to pass, based on that key, what is the value it has been mapped, that value this method is going to return. Okay. So now I'm just going to put that as the value map dot put. See, string and that integer value. This is the associated specified value with the specified key in this map. If the map previously contained the map of the key, old value is replaced. So if the old value is there, that will be replaced with this new value based on that key. So there is the key, string key I'm just going to put as, and then the next value I'm just going to replace. So what is the key? Str of I. And what is the value? That integer value. Whatever the value I have got in the get method, that means get integer value, then I'm just going to increase that value by 1. See here, this is the value what I have got from this get method, and then I'm just going to replace that as a increment. One increment, I'm just going to do that, and then I am just increasing that value. Else, if it is not the case, then I'm just going to put the same value as str of I and then 1, because there is the value as 1. So same value I'm just going to pass. Then what is the result? Then I'm just going outside this loop and checking for the result. What are the actually value? There is the integer of result is equal to initializing with 0, and then I'm just going through that map to iterate over. So map dot entry, map dot entry, there is a java dot entry dot map. It will be a key value pair. The map dot entry set method returns the collection value of the map. So let me check that map dot entry of, what is the parameter for this map entry method? Integer, and then the, sorry, string dot integer. Fine. What it is the problem? Okay, so let me do that. Map dot entry of string, and then integer of, actually here it is expecting to the parameter. So I'm just checking at the map dot entry set. See, this is the method. Let's see. It returns the link of the mapping contained in this map. Whatever the mapping is there, that is the collections or whatever the value it has been, it is the same value it will be going to return. Okay, and then check if this map get value is exactly how much, 2, because I am just going to check for the words which is exactly 2 times available in that map. So if the map dot get value will be 2, then I'm just going to increase this result. Okay, so result plus plus. If that value is available and having that value as 2 second time, then only it will increase. Otherwise, just return the result. Fine. Outside the loop and then return result. Fine. This is our code. So let me go to the main method. So I have just declared that string and I have taken that one, and now I need to call that method. So what method I have taken? Count words. Copy that method, call here. What we need to pass is as input array, because we have taken that as the string array, and then the counter value, and that means the length. So this will returns the integer count. How many count is there? So simply you can print this one. Let me print here itself. I'm just whatever the value I am just getting from that method, I am just printing that method on the console. Let me run this method. Let me run this program. See, one value. Why? Because there is the only Java word. See, Java is 2 times. String is 2, 3, 4 times. Code is also 4 times. So it is taking the Java value. Let me take for that a string, another string, what we have taken as example. Let me copy over the string array. Okay. So here, hello is the one word which is 2 times, and Java talent is the another word which is 2 times. So the our result will be 2 here in this case. Let me run this program. See, okay. So whatever we are getting as expected. Fine. You can simply break this print statement in the 2 lines if you want. Otherwise, this is perfect. Okay. So this is the things for today. Yep. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.